Okay, so we are moving on. So we have done a bunch of stuff, as you can see on the left, all these starting from variables, expressions, the conditionals, functions, iteration, and now we are on to strings. Okay, so basic stuff, strings, bunch of characters. You can see the example here. A language equal to Python, a variable taking the letters Python, and you can do some operations with it. So what are those? Len is a built-in function which gives the length of the string. So Python is the name of the string. So len gives you 6 characters, as you can see on the right. This is the output. And the other important concept which I wanted to tell you guys is the slicing. So you give something like, you can see this line 2 colon. So which basically means the slicing of the string from position number 2. So the strings are starting from number 0, which is P, number 1, which is Y, and so on. So starting from 2 onwards, so THON, that's what you see printed here. Line number 6 has a different format. You see something like colon 2, which basically says print all the characters starting from 0 to this index, whatever you give here, -1. So which is 0 and 1. So which is P and Y. So that's why you see PY printed here. And this number, when you give the number 0 or whatever, you print the index or the character at that position. Like I said, the string starts with character number 0. When the first character starts with index 0. So when I say language of 0, it's going to print P. If I give, say, for example, character index 1, then it's going to print Y. So basically, this video is about a built-in function where you find the length of a string and you are seeing the slicing where you can print a portion of the string. Simple video, guys, nothing much. Strings, there's lots of stuff. So many videos, so many built-in functions, I should say, on strings that we'll be doing the subsequent videos as part of our overall series in Python. Hope you guys liked it. Put your comments, right? So you know what helps. And if you would like to subscribe. Thanks a lot.